guys, welcome back to our channel of another videos. So in this video we are going to do guess the chip challenge. And guys, I and Arna are very excited about this challenge, and I'll tell you the instructions. So we are not starting now. These are two bowls. This is Arna's, this is mine. We have a cup of water, and only one chip will be in this bowl. So for blindfold jugaad, have to do like this blindfold. You can see me blindfold. So first Anna is going to do this, and this is our blindfold jugaad. So let's head to the first round for Anna. Your first chip is this.
I'm so excited.
So only one chip will be on Anna's plate. You can see. So Anna, I will tell you the hand. Yes, now taste. You can guess the color or company or the color.
I had it. I know what chip is this.
Yes, tell.
Soya chip.
Yes, it is the right answer.
Yeah.
So Anna's 1 point. So let's head to the second round. So guys, second tip is this. I'm going to open it.
It's my favorite.
I don't know. Okay. So I have put one chip in Anna's bowl. So Anna, here it is in your hand. Now taste it and tell which chip is this. It's so easy.
I know.
Yes.
It's red.
Yes, it is. Second point for Anna. Now let's head to the third round.
It's exciting. Oh my God.
Yes, so one. Yeah, now taste it. Taste.
It's soya stick.
Yes, it is again right answer. So let's head to the next round. Here it is.
I'm so excited.
So here it is. Taste.
Wait a minute. It smells familiar. Oh, I know. It's
First taste. First taste.
It's your favorite. I know. It's kurkure.
Yes, it is. So Anna's. Now you can put off your blindfold. And there were 4 chips. In 4 chips you have corrected the 4 answers. So it's my turn. Now you can drink some water. She's very thirsty. So it's my time to blindfold.
You don't want to see.
Okay.
I'm seeing in the camera.
Okay, I'm now ready.
And let's go.
I'm really excited. I will get all the right answers. And guys, we will upload tomorrow the Namkeen challenge also. Yes, Anna?
Yes.
Where is it? Oh. So tips.
Oh, great answer. Let's move to
First point.
second round.
I'm really happy about it.
Great answer.
Second point. Yeah. Bring fast.
It's not opening the package.
Wait a minute, guys.
8
I
minutes.
don't know which chip is that. Where is this?
I'm giving you.
Give fast. Where are chips?
Okay. And last.
It's so easy. And guys, if it is a tie, then we will make a harder challenge.
7.
The fourth and last round for me. Lays.
Great answer. Good
Swabar.
job.
Swabar. The match is tied. Now we are only 1 minute. I'm going to bring all the things that we are going to do the second and tougher challenge. So I'm going to bring some things. So guys, our challenge has been made. So guys, we are going to do this thing. Anna first will blindfold, and it's not about eating, it's about feeling. So what we'll do, Anna will put in the hand in this. She has to touch it and she has to guess in 15 seconds. So guys, 1 minute I'm going to bring the timer. So guys, I'm now going to start the timer. Anna will test. Anna will touch the chip. Then I will start the 15 seconds timer. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. The timer is on. You have to not taste it.
It's a sauce stick.
Yes. First point for Anna. Let's head to the second challenge. Three, 2, 1, go. The chip fallen.
It's a soya chip.
Yes, go. Again, Anna correct. Why you have tasted? Nothing happened, only one chip. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's correct.
Okay. Third point. Three, 2, 1, go.
Lays.
Yes, correct. So the again four again the 4 rounds has been completed and Anna is corrected 4.
Yay.
You can now put on the
Oh my god.
now it's my
It
turn.
was so
Now you can-
fun.
now you can take the photo.
I have little bit.
You-
I cannot show you the girl. It will fall. I can show you now. Finish.
Now it's my turn. Please. Where's my blindfold? 1 minute, guys. So first, guys, see whether Anna is cheating or not. And now I'm putting my blindfold on. Yes, now I'm ready. First, I'll touch the chip, then the 15 seconds will be started.
1, 2, 3, start.
Where's the chip?
This. Yeah. 50 seconds. No.
Kurkure.
Oh my god. He was so fast. Let's go.
Kurkure is my
Another
favorite.
round. Go.
So next chip,
Second one.
second chip.
Wait a
Where
minute.
is the starting, Anna? Give me where is the starting? Oh, you have tasted. Now I will. Where is the...
Wait a minute.
Okay.
No. 1, 2, 3, start. You did it.
Lays.
No,
What?
it's soya stick.
Oh no. My first point is only 1 point. Out of 2, my one is wrong and one is right.
Wait a minute.
Where it is?
1, 2, 3, start.
Where it is? Where it is?
Here it is. No.
Lays.
Yes! Right answer. Let's read.
Only little bit I'm tasting.
Another level.
So guys, Anna is the winner of the chip challenge. And congratulations Anna, and have a celebration. Today was her birthday also. So you can tomorrow was his birthday also. So tell in the comments.
Guys, I'm gonna show you the vampire. Wait a minute.
Vampire chip. Vampire Anna. Wait a minute. Anna. Yes. Vampire Anna. Two teeth of Kurkure. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you like this video or not. So we will meet you in the next video. Bye and kisses. Bye. We'll meet you in the next video.